can you clarify who's responsible for demurrage and detention under DAP?
That's a tough one, I think. It's
It's a tough one.
yeah, I think it's up to, it's going to depend on the circumstance, I think. Is it not being delivered because the forwarder you hired to get it delivered was inept or unable to do so? Or is it going into storage and demurrage because the customs broker has not done their job properly? Or there's, there's another reason outside of that, so it's going to have to come down to the specific reason, I'd say, the specific situation. But I would say this, that if you're buying a DAP term, if there's costs such as detention and demurrage that aren't really listed on here, and it's going to be a little bit of a tough fight. I mean, you're going to want your cargo. So if it's now cleared and the storage is X, and you have to start fighting with your supplier about it, the clock's still ticking. So, I would say if there's a term like that where there's not the specific cost that's involved is not listed out there, it's going to be borne by the buyer. Such as say a customs exam, who's going to pay in that situation? That's a charge that your shipper has not foreseen. So that's going to be for the account of the consignee.